Today, I'm going to show you how to fill your raised garden bed cheap and easy. And not only that, I'll show you how it's going to benefit your fruits and your vegetables. Step by step, come along, I'll show you how. If your soil is super compact and clay like ours is, it won't hurt to aerate and rake for proper drainage. Since garden soil is so expensive, you need to cut down on the volume you're going to fill your bin with. Here we're adding rotting wood. This is going to help retain moisture as well as add vital nutrients back into the soil. We're going to move around and create a layer, but pack that wood into the existing soil so there are no air pockets. Next, add some moisture to create water storage as well as to flatten out those air pockets. Continue onward by layering the bed even further. You can use any medium from straw to shredded leaves to very aged wood chips. Just make sure you spread it out evenly and you water it down heavily. Adding a layer of compost is a beneficial step to our raised bed. It's going to displace the volume even more, but it's going to add vital nutrients and enzymes for the plants to absorb. At this point, we've filled our bed halfway up and we haven't even added in the garden soil, all with highly organic, nutrient-dense material. That's right, you've guessed it, it's time to add in the garden soil. This 64 cubic foot bed was filled up for under $40. That's not bad. Thanks for watching, see you next time.